Look at all this. That's crazy. Washing off their house. But her cutting out logs. This is your grandma's house?
Yeah.
Looks like his house is okay.
Yeah. Yeah, trees and stuff on everywhere though. Oh my gosh, look out here.
Everything's knocked
Look
over.
at all these trees. They're all knocked over. This used to be like a forest.
Wow, look at this up here.
Yeah.
We drove through this a couple of days before.
We drove through this that morning.
I mean, yeah. Look at those just sheared off. Look at the top of the roof. Gone.
Oh my gosh. That is horrible.
Wow.
Is this the car place?
Look at that. Look at that. That's a tractor trailer upside down.
Holy shit.
Trees upon trees. You want to get out? We can't go through, can we?
I think we might be able to. This is the car place.
No way.
This is the car shop. That's what they get for taking out people's stuff.
Stop it.
Oh my god, there are no trees at all.
This, no. Oh my goodness. So Sarah and I were driving to New York. That's where we're driving back from Western Massachusetts. And Sarah says, Tim, don't ever, I've heard about this car place which repairs cars and I've heard bad things. So I look over and there's a bunch of tall trees behind this auto car dealership. And then today, a couple hours later, a couple days later, a couple hours after we drove through, totally everything gone, including the entire forest. That is crazy. Joplin, Missouri, and then all of a sudden,
Oh my gosh.
Massachusetts.
Wow.
Helicopter surveying the damage. National Guard is here helping clear out. That is just crazy. So we're going to have to figure out a better way.
We'll try to go down around this car.
I don't know what he's doing.
We'll do around him. He's not moving.
This is just crazy.
I'm pulling it for them.
That's what, a 2-story house or was?
Yeah, all that is the night garage. Holy crap.
Look at that. Just crazy. This metal hanging, just random.
These wires.
Driving over down power lines. Thankfully the power's off. Thankfully we're in a car. Look at that. Just tree just sheared off.